Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Today we are going to unbox the Apple iPad. This is the 32 GB 2019 edition iPad. And all right, let's get started. Okay, that's the box. This is the space gray variant. It's a 32 GB Wi-Fi. This does not have LTE. This is the 7th generation, which was launched in 2019. Retail price is 30,000, and this one was bought off Amazon for 30,000 rupees. Okay, time to open this up. This is available on Amazon for 29,900. I'll put the link in the description box below. All right. Okay, this is the tablet. Space gray. Let's keep this to the side. We have the lightning cable and some paperwork. This is the wall charger. Yeah. All right. That's it. Apple और कुछ नहीं देता. That's it. Apple does not give anything else. Let's have a look at the tablet. I'm really liking the finish on this. It's really nice aluminum finish. And all right, let's have a look around the tablet. Here we have the camera, the power button, there's a mic here and a headphone jack. Here you have two speakers and the lightning port. On this side you have the volume rocker, and here this is the dock to connect to the keyboard. In the front you have the camera and the sensor and the home button. Alright, that's about it. I'm going to set it up, play with it, and then report back to you. Thank you so much for watching once again, and have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye bye.